the Turtle Man 09, and I just got a new package. I got I got a new package in the mail, obviously, and it is it's a canister filter, and it's the cheapest one I found. It's on eBay, not eBay. Well, yeah, for like $50, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's like an AquaTop something, C300. Oh yeah, like my knife. Got a knife, got a knife, got a knife, got a knife. Whoa. Boobia, boobala, boobala. Doop. Okay guys, sorry. I'm so happy because it got really dismantled today because of the snowstorm, which you probably don't know about. I ordered these filter pads because I'm making a sump for... Oh, Johnny! Sorry about that. Stepped on some of that bubble wrap there. I ordered these because they're Chinese, I guess. Because I'm making a sump. And sorry, I did that again. And I wanted this for one of the layers. And I also ordered some of these ceramic media rings. I ordered two, one for the filter and one for the sump that I'm building. So there's the next one. And then I ordered activated carbon. One for the canister and one for my sump. And then the last thing I ordered were bio balls. Again, one for the canister and one for the sump. Okay, so here, oh god, it's gonna be hard to get out. It's gonna waste of time. Oh! Jeez, I almost dropped it. Okay, here it is. It's an AquaTop C300. So, yeah. So just keep tuned, rate, comment, subscribe.